Hi guys, welcome back to Rosy Cozy channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a healthy Russian potato salad. Once again, I would like to thank you for all the likes and subscribes. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and touch the like button. The full recipe is available in the description box down below. Right, let's rock this salad. Wash, peel and cut the potatoes in 1 centimeter cubes and set it aside. Next, we will wash and peel the carrots, also cutting it in small cubes. The potato and carrots will be steamed together for approximately 10 minutes. While the potato and carrots are being cooked, let's wash and cut the green beans into small slices, all similar sizes. Once you are done with the beans, check if the potato and carrots are almost done. Then add the green beans and let them steam for another 5 to 7 minutes. Careful to not overcook them, okay? Transfer the already cooked veggies to a large bowl to cool down. Now let's chop some onion. Add the onion to a fry pan on medium heat with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let them cook for 2 minutes, just to soften and release its flavor. We add in the squeezed garlic and cook for another minute. Great! It can also join the already cooked veggies. Chop some already washed fresh parsley and add it into the bowl. Let's bring in the rest of the ingredients. Add in the zest of 1 lemon and the juice of half lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of vegan mayonnaise, preferably. Then in goes the natural yogurt, salt and pepper to taste, mix the salad gently and thoroughly. Yogurt has far less fat and fewer calories than mayonnaise, but its consistency is very similar. Yogurt is a great source of calcium and high in protein. Yogurt can also be beneficial for gut health due to the live bacteria in it. Now, enjoy your fabulous healthy salad without feeling guilty. Oh, it's a good idea to also click the little bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. I would love to have you in my VIP list. I hope you enjoyed this video and try this recipe for yourself. Please subscribe to support the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao!